Good morning, Internet. Hi, my name is Renee. I travel with my cat named Jake, and we live full-time in our van. Today's video is mainly about meeting up with friends, having some fun, and checking out two campsites. One is in the Headley area, the other is in the Oliver area. Both beautiful places to come visit. I think you might have had a little hint in one of my videos already. Is that you, Lorraine?
Oh my god!
Okay.
8, 10, 12, 14, there we go. This might be interesting because it is kind of wonky.
We're wonky too, so
Yeah,
it'll work with us.
that's right. Wonky can make wonky work, right?
Oh yeah, 100%. Oh. And I won! One more. This lake is called Burnell Lake Wreck Site, or known as Burnell Lake Sawmill Wreck Site. It is a angler's dream to come up here and catch and release lake. Very remote, and also if you want to get out of the heat, this is a place to come. It's a little bit of a trek getting up here. You have to take it slow, but nothing that a vehicle can't do. Altogether, there are 9 sites to camp at. The side that we chose to camp at is the first one you come across, and it is nice. On the other side, there is no outhouse, so you might want to choose which side to be on. But this side looked good to us. Although I never got to film the deer or a moose or bear, they are in this area as well. And on a hike over the hill, we found wild turkeys. So there's plenty of wildlife around a Burnell Lake wreck site. This little chipmunk was a nice welcome to our campground. Old Headley East wreck site is beautiful. It has a lot of trees on it. The sites are private. Also, it offers hiking, biking, and quadding in the area. If you are wanting to top up your solar, you may have to park on the road to do that. But other than that, it is beautiful. One thing that I love about van life is being able to meet up with friends in an instant and bring your home with you. It is a great feeling when you all get together and have a little laugh and some fun. Met up with Laureen from Boho Blue Van. Go check her channel out. Also, one of her subscribers came and met us. Her name was Sandy, and we had a great time together. Guys, and please do press the like button on your way out.